Vehicle reassembly videos are absolutely exploding across social media right now. Brand new creators are pulling in millions of views, and some pages have gained over 12,000 followers in a very short time by posting nothing but these incredibly satisfying miniature vehicle assembly videos. The best part? This niche is still largely untapped, which means there's still a huge opportunity to get in before everyone else catches on. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI vehicle reassembly videos from scratch using AI, so let's get started. The first step is generating the perfect AI prompt for your vehicle assembly video. To make the process quick and effortless, open the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the complete prompt template. Next, head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Simply enter the number of the motorcycle you want the AI to generate, then press Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of unique motorcycle models for you to choose from. Browse through the suggestions and select your favorite or type in your own custom motorcycle if you already have a specific model in mind. After making your selection, press Enter again. ChatGPT will then ask you to enter the custom logo or brand name you want to appear on the bike. Once you enter your logo and press Enter, ChatGPT will instantly generate a highly detailed cinematic AI prompt that's optimized for creating a hyper-realistic miniature motorcycle assembly video with custom branding, ready to use with your favorite AI video generator. Now it's time for the final step, generating your AI vehicle assembly video. Open Flow AI and switch to video mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so your video is perfectly optimized for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, select the Omni Flash video model and choose your preferred video duration. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the complete cinematic prompt it generated. Paste the prompt into Flow AI, then click Generate. Within minutes, Flow AI will produce a hyper-realistic miniature motorcycle assembly video. The best part is that you can repeat this exact workflow with different motorcycle models, custom logos, and prompt variations to create an endless stream of unique viral AI videos for social media. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss future AI content creation tutorials.